My name is Kamryn Ford, and today's date is December 13th, 2022, and on the back of my card, I just have the names of the structures that I have to remember to talk about. So I have my kidney here. To start off, we have what would have been the ureter. It's this yellow section. It's easier to see on this one. So this is where the ureter would have exited. Attached to the ureter would be the renal hilum, and the renal hilum has the renal nerves, the renal vein, and the renal artery. They're in one big cluster right here that attaches to the same area as where the ureter is. And then from there, we have the renal cortex, which is this area between the edge of the kidney and where the medulla is, which are these like bulb-like looking structures that detach off of the renal pelvis. The renal pelvis are these branching structures that connect to the pyramids, or the renal pyramid that is also like a bulb-like structure. The renal column is between the renal pyramid and the medulla. Yeah, so right in this area here. And then from there, just above the renal pelvis, the branching structures continue to form the major calyx, and then above that, the minor calyx. And then the renal sinus is the fatty outside areas that surround these structures. That should be all of them. So, yeah. Thank you so much.